a time of discovery and conquest, when the Spaniards ruled the seas of the New World. They brought with them, on the second voyage of Christopher Columbus, the sugarcane plant from the Canary Islands, a plant whose extracted juices give birth to the spirit known as rum, the most noble and ancient spirit known to date. The Dominican Republic distinguishes itself with an elaborate blend of elegant aromas and well-defined body, where wood provides an almond-like color, creating a magnificent combination with the Caribbean sunset. Upon its development in the Caribbean, by 1600 in the British colony of Barbados, we can find evidence that already had a rum distillery. The popularity of rum quickly spread to the British colonies of North America, establishing the first distillery in what is currently known as Boston, Massachusetts in 1661. In only a few years, the manufacture of rum became the largest, most prosperous industry in colonial New England. Of the Carrion family, from the town of San Pedro de Macorís, a place considered by many as a land of poets, artists, and sugarcane. 110 years later, Ron Macorís became part of the Vinícola del Norte family of the port town of Porta Plata, thus uniting two emblematic rum-producing folk towns of the Dominican Republic. Today, the legacy of its founder, Juan Brugal Perez, takes us on the revolutionary path of perfection and quality of the legendary rum that is Ron Macorís. Ron Macorís enjoys a solid prestige, endorsed by the most sensitive of palates. It is distilled in San Pedro de Macorís, carrying with it the best of the sugarcane. While the aged deposits, the delicate elaboration, and the modern bottling system take place in Porta Plata, where the rum masters managed to combine the tradition of years with latest technology. The process of creating this unique beverage begins when the sugarcane is grinded and its juices extracted for fermentation. Distillation is the process where condensation and vaporization of the juices separate the various mixtures as they reach their closest boiling point. Once a perfect batch has been selected, they are allowed to fuse for some time before they are reduced with pure water in order to be bottled and delivered to the final consumer. In order to achieve the essential characteristic of color and its light taste and profound body, several processes must be exhausted, where time control and temperature are the perfect accomplices to reach the perfect point that honors the creation of rum. Based on the most ancient recipes, Ron Macorís is unique, as it combines the legacy and years of experience in rum making of our founders with the most advanced technology in the industry. We can proudly assert that Ron Macorís is a premium blend since 1899. a century, Ron Macareeks has shared its secrets in the quest for perfection, in elaborating high-quality rum that is softly polished from generation to generation until achieving a milestone in the history of the